Rural community development through self-help approach is an age-long social activity in our society. Even before the advent of the colonial administration, people had at different times in history organized themselves into groups and had employed communal resources to provide physical development and functional facilities in their respective localities. This is the story of Ilutoro, an agrarian community in Akure North local government area, where residents gathered to rehabilitate a bridge linking the community to the state capital. Other communities linked to the bridge are Ala, Dada, Familugba, Adeshino, Small London, Temidire, Agula, Ogbese, among others. The bridge was affected by erosion in 2021 and was repaired by the community in 2022. Again, it was washed away by erosion last year. The development has adversely affected residents who are predominantly farmers. The community is at it again as residents mobilize resources to fix the bad bridge. Olu of Ilutoro, Titus Adeshida, said they need to fix the road before heavy rain to enable residents make ends meet.
Last year, lateral la kosibi ti bija omi ata bigi to gbe lo to wo gbogbo lo odun bai hardcore la wa go si ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ aishi for dole or Small London àwọn ló help wa pẹ̀lú àwọn contributions sí community tá fi ń ṣe gbogbo ilé à ń bẹ ìjọba kíjọba kó jọ kán ràn wá lọ́wọ́ iṣẹ́ tá ń ṣe nísìn hardcore là ń kó sí millions of naira ni tán bá ní ká máa rà millions of naira so kíjọba kán jọ kán wá ràn wá lọ́wọ́.
He said the community, with the support of Abyss Farm Limited, Small London, is equally grading roads. Chief Adeshida employed the state government to come to the aid of the community to permanently fix the bridge. Kunle Ariyo, OSRC News.